can a smartphone really provide an early warning about a potential COVID case? For Alexandra Scotchulis, it sure did.
There's no way I would have known. I would have kept wandering around, doing my curbside pickups, going for jogs and not knowing that I was positive.
In December, the COVID Alert app displayed a notification like this, telling her she'd been exposed. Scotchulis then tested positive herself and avoided spreading the virus to her family.
For me, 100% it worked. We still all have it on our phones. We keep checking it.
And it's caught other cases too. Figures obtained by CBC News show last month alone, at least 400 users got an alert, then tested positive. Though that's just a small fraction of the 165,000 infections overall during the same period.
It's unfortunate we will not be able to count actual numbers of cases prevented as a result of the app, but I believe it's not zero.
Did you know that your smartphone can help limit the spread of COVID-19?
Since the app's release almost a year ago, it's been promoted by the federal government.
They all have the COVID Alert app
as a key tool in the pandemic. It's cost at least $3.5 million. But we've learned it may have far fewer users than the government's been suggesting.
We do know, however, that the more people have downloaded it, the more it's had an impact.
The government has repeatedly touted the app's more than 6.5 million downloads, but federal officials can now only confirm 3 million Canadians are using it properly.
The message has to resonate, right, with the people who are the intended users of the app. And I think there's still a lot of work we have to do there.
The bottom line is the app works, but it doesn't always work. Today, the development team reiterated users should open the app every day to make sure it's still scanning for exposure to the virus. Thomas Daigle, CBC News, Toronto.